Sam Seder of the Majority Report went after Dave Rubin of the Rubin Report for many different things. Talking about how he won't debate him, which is very interesting to me. Dave Rubin, the guy who says that he fiercely believes in exchanges of ideas, but is too much of a bitch to have Sam Seder on his show. Now, he also goes after him for basically not understanding basic economics and what goes on, and not understanding that money is taxed twice, talking about the estate tax, because he claimed that the government has no right to tax people's income. It's an inheritance tax that only applies to 0.2%. The argument shouldn't even be from your perspective whether or not it's their right to. Like I did in my other video, if you've read the delegated power to lay and collect taxes, or the 16th Amendment, which allows them to put in income taxes, you know that the government has the right to do it on every means, and any judge would laugh at you for claiming that they don't have the right to. You can say that they shouldn't, but I would disagree with you because 0.2% of the people. Check out Sam Seder talking about that here.
Started getting in on Bernie Sanders talking about the estate tax. The estate tax thing is just, this is a slam dunk. And Dave Rubin, who's basically a libertarian, I know he pretends he's a leftist, but he either doesn't understand or he's not a leftist. He's a liberal, and he touts that he's for single payer. He doesn't know what he does. I don't know if he knows what it means. I think there is a question as whether or not he knows what it means, or he's just being disingenuous. But he also apparently has a problem with the estate tax. And some libertarian who I guess is upset at me because I think Sam Harris is a charlatan, started getting into me with the estate tax. And the classic response is like, they're paying tax on this money twice. And even if I was to stipulate that these multimillionaires, because remember, this is what you got to be, a multimillionaire. You do not pay $1 of estate tax for the first $5 million that you as an individual gives to your heirs. Not $1. After that, as it stands now, I think we're at 35%. So if you got $1 billion, you're only going to be able to bequeath essentially $645 million to your heirs. And so he said, it's taxed twice. I'm like, so? All money's taxed twice, right? Pay taxes on your payroll. You get your money. It's in your bank. You go out. You buy a shirt. There's a tax on the shirt.